I'm replacing my manual deadbolt with an electronic deadbolt. I'm going to install Powerbolt 2 by Kwickset. Start by organizing all the parts, and then check the parts against the parts list. I'm gonna start by uninstalling manual deadbolt, and also I'm gonna replace a door handle. I already bought a doorknob, the exact same color as an electronic deadbolt. Locate and remove the screws. Once the screws are out, you can remove a lock. Remove an exterior lock. Next, remove the old latch by unscrewing 2 screws. When you remove screws, now you can pull the latch out. Hold the latch in front of the door hole with the latch face flush against the door edge. If the slotted hole is centered, no adjustment is required. If slotted hole is not centered, rotate latch face as shown on the picture to extend latch. Install the latch and make sure slotted hole is at bottom of latch. Secure the latch with 2 screws provided. Install strike on the door frame with 4 screws provided. Make sure hole in the door frame is drilled a minimum of 1 inch deep. Next, install exterior assembly. Route the cable below the latch. Make sure the latch is in the unlocked position. Make sure the torque plate is in the horizontal position. Insert the torque plate through the horizontal slot in the latch. Hold the exterior assembly on the outside firmly. Push the torque plate through the center hole in the mounting plate and send the cable through the bottom hole. Secure the mounting plate with the supplied screws. Load 4 AA batteries into the interior assembly. Press and hold the reset button on the interior assembly for 5 seconds until you hear 3 long beeps. Align the colored edges of the connectors and ensure a tight cable connection. Rotate the turn piece away from the door edge and make sure the latch is in the unlocked position. Make sure the torque plate is still in the horizontal position and install the interior assembly. Before securing an interior assembly, make sure the turn piece rotates. Secure the interior assembly with the supplied screws. Reinstall battery cover and make sure the latch is still in the unlocked position. Test the lock when door is closed. Set locking and unlocking direction. Each button on the keypad represents 2 numbers. You only need to push the button once to get either number. While the door is open and unlocked, Enter the following code to teach the lock the orientation of the door. Press 0000, which is factory default master code. Then press a lock button. You'll hear one beep. Then press 0 and a lock button. Press the lock button, the latch bolt will extend to lock. Enter the default user code 1234, then press the lock button. The door will unlock. Now I'm gonna show you how to change your master code. Make sure the lock is unlocked and the door is open. Enter your master code for new install. Default is 0000. Press lock button, you'll hear one beep. Press 7. Press lock button, you will hear one beep. Enter a new master code, it must be between 4 and 10 digits. My new code is 12345. Press the lock button, you will hear 2 beeps if successful. If you hear 3 beeps, it was unsuccessful. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.